Imagine that your thoughts, your feelings and sensations are the weather. The weather happens to you. You are not the weather. Inside this tent, let your weather stay outside. Imagine that the images of nature that surround you are creating a safe space for your authentic self. Let your dutiful, conforming self stay outside with your weather. When you hear the sound of the bell, place all of your attention on your breathing. Breathe easily and deeply. Ride your breath for a few cycles, feeling yourself expand and open. Find a point of stillness inside. Now look with eyes that are not clouded by your weather. Listen deeply. Listen with your heart. Let nature be a portal for your imagination. Consider that from the imagination springs creativity, inspiration, and insight. Like a light within you, the light of your imagination